don't know, I'm gonna go read on the internet how to fix this with no parts. So you ready to say bye-bye, Katie? All right. Okay, there she goes.
Thanks for a wonderful time.
Yes, of
Bye,
course.
sweetie.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. We'll be living here for 1 more week. Isn't that right, Violet? Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna launch a dinghy. We've been procrastinating on launching the dinghy because, well, the engine's small and it's hard to do a beach landing. But I think we can do it.
Little softy dog.
Yeah. Yay. Perfect. It would save like an hour. We've come to shore. We are in La Manzanilla and we hired a little pongero that is a fisherman to come pick us up and bring us in. And so we're here and it's really cute. And Houdini is bucking and yawling out there. It's not the calmest of anchorages, but it's... Ponga launch?
That's a boat trailer.
It's a boat trailer. Do you hook it to a donkey?
+10-foot crocodile.
Oh my goodness.
Look at look, it's a crocodile eating a, oh, I thought it was a surfer. We found a sauce that might even be a little hot for Savannah. This one.
Yeah.
Her eyes are watering.
It is totally addictive.
I think we all share a bathroom.
It's a visual. It's beautiful. It's delicious. It's Restaurante Martin. Gracias.
Tío. Ah, se parece a ti, entonces tu hermano va a ser igualito que tú.
Hi. Right,
Yeah.
exactly. Okay, so how many days of laundry do you think this is, Jordan?
This is everybody's laundry and bedding, so it's not. It's a lot, but it's not a lot.
Oh yeah, so
that's good.
yeah.
That's
pretty
also
good.
not the last time I washed my hair.
Those things, it was such a rolly anchorage last night. We're in La Manzanilla. It's beautiful. The town is so sweet and cute. Our dinner was fantastic. We all ate way too much. But we about needed to put up our leak cloths last night. So that was the status of our sleep. So we're gonna head over to the other anchorage. What was that one called? Tenacatita. Fun little name. So we're gonna head over there later this afternoon and then do a few more things before we head to Manzanillo. All right. Violet, say mama. Now we're gonna go watch Captain Ron. Again. Good job, peekaboo. Peekaboo. What does red velvet cake have to do with the lift pump for the raw water? You say?
Fuel.
Okay, so it looks like this guy's fused here. We're gonna take these out. This is not the one that we're using. This is like a spare. I was hoping that old Squirrely Pop had rebuilt this and was just ready to rock and roll, but alas, it's not. So we're gonna take this apart, see how it works, and then rebuild the real deal. Peekaboo!
No more office work?
No more office work in a moment.
Oh, you got it off.
Yeah.
Good job. Has been today, which was like 24% different. Still within my quarter region rule.
Okay, this is bound, maybe? Oh. This is just streaming. So we're gonna put some mop handle business in there. I'm gonna measure it out first. We're gonna grease these back. Typically when you do stuffing, you stagger the opening or where they meet. Right? So you don't have it all meet at the same spot.
Yeah.
This is probably different, but we're gonna try to do it that way anyways. Can I have another like 2 or just like another 2 pieces of mop?
Some services?
Absolutely.
Is that how they do it in Germany?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good. Charge it.
Oh yeah, and tubing it, yeah, that's...
You're just gonna have to trust us. Alright, it puts on the lotion. Alright, there she goes.
Do you have your cup to catch? Doesn't seem like there's a gasket on there.
It's fun. What's going on down there?
A flashlight. Well, the flashlight disappeared a few days ago and kerfuffle.
Oh, good. Does it still work?
I bet. Let's do that thing.
All right, that just slipped right in. Hey. Hi. We are, I want to say stuck on this anchor, but we're hanging out here until we can get our parts to rebuild the raw water pump, which is kind of a bummer, but sort of the theme and the deal with sailing. So usually we like to have spare parts, which I have most of the spare parts. I could swear that I had a bushing set and seal set somewhere on this boat for the Jabsco raw water pump. I know I saw it. Maybe I dreamed of it, but we're gonna take a look in the tool area later. Private call. Unhinged. And feeling salty because we have to fix our raw water pump. And the problem is that we need a full repair kit, and it's really hard to get things in Mexico, even if they're made in Mexico. So we have a solution. When I say we, I mean the royal we. Jordan has logisticked, yeah.
It's a verb.
It's a verb. These parts that we need to us somehow. I just went into the captain's quarters and closed the door, and I came out and there was a solution. So there you have it.
Okay, I've reached out to friends in La Paz, and they have a business there. If anybody needs their V-dub fixed. But they're also sailors. They're gonna go to the marine store in La Paz and get some parts.
Well then, there you have it. That's the solution to our big fat problem, but I feel like this is a problem other people have in remote and exotic locations where things break and you can't get parts. Because he just left our spare as just like a broken old one. But the bonus is that we can take this broken old one and have that one rebuilt, because the one that we have is leaking on the back, which I think is the bushing. So we could kind of limp to the next little anchorage that might be safer if the wind changes, and that way we're not just a sitting duck out here with no services, no dock, no haul out, nothing. So we're gonna take the old broken one, rebuild that one, put that one in as the new one, rinse and repeat, and fix the next one at the next port. So next time this happens, which I'm sure maybe it'll be something new and exciting probably, but we'll have a fresh, brand new rebuilt one. So that's the plan in my head. What do you think, darling? Yeah. In this episode of What is Broken Today, we're gonna go check out the generator. It is running and then it just like loses RPMs and then goes.
But after like 30 minutes of running, it's
It'll
not
run
like
for 30 minutes.
rabid.
So I'm hoping slash I think that it's the air filter, not the carburetor. I don't know, I got a thing with carburetors. A thing where I don't like to mess with them. So hopefully it's that. Do we have the tools? Are they up here? Here's the unit in question.
I
Okay.
described it behind that coil.
Oh, that looks like, man.
A real pain in the ass.
There's sand made of rust in the tank from a rusty cap lid. And there's rust in the fuel filter, inline fuel filter. So I'm gonna see if I have another inline fuel filter, but that's not gonna stop until we replace the cap, which I don't have one. So I don't know. I'm gonna go read on the internet how to fix this with no parts. Violet wants to be just like Dan.